the bag?
I knew you'd find me.
It's not a game, man. What's in the bag?
Milk and magnesia. I get stomach aches.
All right, get in. You're on juvie probation. You're supposed to be home.
Well, Mama says don't come home till the porch light's out, so you can talk to her.
She still got all the boyfriends?
You the one with all the boyfriends? I got diamonds on each finger. Isn't it pretty?
It's real nice.